Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome. Today is going to be an exciting video because we're talking about one of the topics that I absolutely love, and that is shapewear. If you guys have seen any of my fashion haul videos, you know how I feel about wearing my shapewear, honey. You got to be cinched and snatched. So today's video is going to be in collaboration with Femme Shapewear, and I was sent over quite a few pieces and I wanted to test them out for you guys. So I am going to be trying on all of the pieces that were sent to me. So if these are the type of videos that you like, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and we're going to jump right into today's video. Alright you guys, so as I mentioned, I do have quite a few pieces that I want to try out for you guys. So we're going to start off with some of the more athletic type of shapewear pieces. So let's jump into today's video. Okay, so the first piece comes in a gray plastic bag. So this is going to be the double Velcro waist trainer in the color gray. So all of the waist trainers that I have are in size large, and this is what it looks like out of the package. It does have some straps to really cinch in your waist, and it comes with a zipper as well. So we're going to take off the Velcro. And we have our zipper in the middle. Okay. So I have on a cami, so it's easy for me to just kind of pop them on and go. So let's just do it that way. Okay, so that is how it looks without the Velcro straps. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the Velcro straps attached. The good thing about the Velcro is, if you notice, I really was able to kind of pull it and make it really tight. So that's you see it popped open. So this is how it looks if I just put it on as is. But if you really want to train that waist, you pull this and it goes all the way around. So this is what my waist looks like now. Okay, so that is what it looks like. So if you are like me and you are a mom, you know our trouble spot is always that pooch at the bottom. So this is why I actually like that it has more than one strap, because I'm able to either make this tighter or make this looser depending on the day. So this is an absolute dream. So let me just show you. So if I can pull it, pull it out. See, now it goes all the way around. So I'm able to get that extra support down at the bottom where I need it, because again, I'm a mom. This body has been through the ringer, okay? So this is the first shapewear piece. I think this is best for me to wear when I'm going to the gym or when I'm working out at home. This is going to provide me the support that I need, and because the material is a little more of a cotton, so this is the type of material that is best to absorb extra moisture when you're working out and you're sweating. So this is definitely a piece that you would use when you're working out. So we have another belt, which is the large neoprene, and this is in the actual color. It says red, but if you look at it in natural sunlight, it looks more of a pinkish. I'm not sure why it says red. However, it's another belt waist trainer. Again, perfect for working out underneath your clothes, and it does have the Velcro on the front and also on the sides. Let's try it. There we go. I think we're going to line this up with the side of my waist. I think that looks much better. There we go. Okay, that is how this waist trainer looks. So again, you can already see it's starting to give me that hourglass shape that I'm going for. And then on the side, you see I have that extra support. This does not have any boning in it, so that's why it's perfect for working out, because it gives you that flexibility depending on what you're doing inside the gym. And even if you want to wear it throughout the day, which I do all the time, these are great as well. So this is actually really nice. And again, it does have some extra Velcro here, so as the waist gets smaller, you're able to adjust. So the next waist trainer that I have is called the Zip and Clasp, and it is a zipper style traditional waist trainer, and it just has the zipper in the front, and it does have the clasp at the top. So in the event you are a little bit thicker in the middle and the zipper likes to go up and down, you're able to add the hook all the way at the top, and it's going to give you that extra security so that it doesn't unzip throughout the day. It also, once you unzip it, you'll notice that it does have the traditional clamps in the middle, so you're able to adjust your waist training. So of course you're always going to start off with the first hooks. As your waist gets smaller, as you progress in your weight loss, if that's what you're looking to do, you're able to tighten up your waist trainers. Okay guys, so this is the second waist trainer, zip and clasp. So as you can see, the clasps are in the middle, and then you zip it up and you have traditional waist training. So I do like these a lot because when I'm wearing certain types of outfits, the zipper is easier to conceal versus seeing all of these clamps in the middle. So sometimes I actually prefer the zipper over just the clamps traditional waist trainer. So this is what it looks like. It's in all black. And if you guys notice, waist training also makes your booty look a lot bigger. So that's a good thing. So this is what it looks like. Very nice, very comfortable, and it's also breathable, which I also like, because one thing you do not want to do is sweat all day long when you're waist training. So I like the material because it's quite breathable and it's also comfortable. Okay, so our next waist trainer is made out of latex. So this is called the latex and hooks. It has 3 hooks on here, and it's made out of latex, and it does have a cotton interior. But you can notice that it looks a lot shinier than the other waist trainers I've been using. I've never seen a waist trainer that had these type of hooks, so I'm very intrigued to see how it fits on the body. Alright you guys, so this is what this waist trainer looks like. Now I'm going to be very honest with you. This has me feeling like some type of dominatrix or something, only because of the latex. So it doesn't have the traditional boning in it, but the latex really, it feels good on the skin. It doesn't feel too tight or too constricting, and I do actually like these hooks. I feel like these hooks are a little more secure than the hooks that we've been seeing in all of the other shapewear pieces. But I am really liking this, and to be quite honest with you, if I really wanted to do the most, I would probably put this on top of a white long sleeve type of blouse, like a white, maybe white shirt dress, if that makes any sense. So something long sleeve and flowy that's just all white, and put this on top for a little bit of structure. That's just me. But I do like this. I like the boning on the side, and I feel like if I start to put this on, like for instance, if I put this on the second hook, I am going to be sucked all the way in. So this feels good on the skin as well, not too constricting. I don't feel like I can't breathe, so that's a good thing. And remember, I still do have on a t-shirt, so feels good, looks good. Let's jump into the last waist trainer. Last but not least, we're going to be doing a black neoprene vest. Now, I don't have a vest in my shapewear collection, so this is going to be quite interesting. Quite interesting. So it does have straps. The straps are adjustable. This has a zipper as well, and it does have your 3-row hooks in the middle. Okay you guys, so this is the vest. I do have it on the first hook, and I can already see I'm starting to get the shape that I like. I do actually like that this is a vest and not just a traditional waist trainer that goes underneath the breast down to the waist. For some reason, I feel like the straps are giving me a little more support. I don't know. Maybe I just feel more secure because the straps are going over my shoulders, and I don't feel like it's going to roll down. And I feel like it's also a little more seamless here, so I won't get like the actual, like, I guess, back fat coming out, and it goes up a lot higher, which I do like. So I feel like I'm a little more secure and seamless all the way throughout my torso. I also do like that it does have the zipper. I feel like without the zipper on this vest, it wouldn't do it justice. So this is fitting me really well. I do need to go back to my waist training because, yeah, sis been eating. Your girl been eating. So I am loving this waist trainer as well. Okay you guys, so that is going to complete today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this shapewear haul. Let me know what your favorite piece was from this collection. And I want to let you guys know I do have a discount code for you ladies inside my video description. So make sure you check that out. If you decide that any of these pieces are for you, make sure you get that discount, sis, because we gotta save all of the coins. Don't forget to follow me over at Instagram. I am at ChimereNicole, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.